Live picture from Bloomington, Indiana, across the campus of IU, where they had a little bit of light snow earlier this afternoon. That snow has now kind of made its way north, guys, but don't worry. If you're seeing some snow showers, it is nothing really to worry about, especially compared to what we went through. Here's a live look outside, right along Meridian Street right now, where the snow continues to fall. It looks a lot worse on that camera shot than it is, but these snow showers could put down a coating to maybe a quarter to a half an inch in some isolated areas, and that should be just about it as they are moving through fairly quickly. And you can see them on TrueView radar. It's just a band of light snow that's making its way from southwest to northeast. We'll give you a little bit of a closer look and go into some of your neighborhoods. Some light snow from Columbus to Shelbyville, just getting ready to move into Newcastle. From Indianapolis to Crawfordsville, some light snow is falling. Greencastle as well. We just showed you Bloomington. You can see the snow shower activity there has come to an end. But light snow does continue from Seymour down to Scottsburg over towards Versailles as well. But if you're traveling again on the roadways, I don't think this is going to be that much of a problem for you. For one, there's still snow on a lot of the roadways, so you probably won't even notice it. And as far as the snow that is not on the roadways, you probably won't notice it accumulating there either. It's just a very minor little snow that's moving through. So we'll go through the overnight hours. I'm a little more concerned throughout the overnight hours as we'll deal with probably a little bit of patchy drizzle / freezing drizzle as the temperatures come up a little bit. I think that's the bigger concern heading into your Friday morning commute compared to the snow showers that are out there right now. Any freezing drizzle we do see tomorrow morning will be brief because temperatures are going to really start to surge as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Right now we're hovering at the freezing mark in Bloomington, 30 currently in Columbus, as well as Indianapolis, 30 in Muncie, 26 is the current temperature in Peru. You factor in the breeze that's out there, and it still does currently feel like it's in the 20s across much of the area. It feels like it's 8 degrees, though, right now as you work your way into northeast Indiana and Fort Wayne. But you notice down to the south, for a change, we have some 30s and 40s on the map, and that's the warmer air that'll start to work its way into our area throughout the day tomorrow. So it's not as cold of a start tomorrow morning. Cloudy skies through the noon hour, 36 degrees, but then rain is set to arrive as we go into the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow with a temperature that'll top off right around 42 degrees. That's going to feel pretty nice. It's going to start to melt a lot of the snow, but notice the rain that comes in here for your Friday evening commute, and this rain will continue throughout much of Friday evening into the overnight hours Saturday, and it could come down pretty heavy at times throughout that period before tapering off as we go into the middle half of the morning on Saturday. But the combination of the snow melt plus a half an inch to maybe 1 inch of additional rain is going to lead to a lot of localized flooding Friday night into Saturday. So prepare yourself for that and the potential of some flooding in your neighborhoods. Make sure, if you can, to clear out some of the storm drains to let the water, as it starts to rain and melt from the snow, to drain into those drains of their snowpacked right now. 30 overnight tonight. The temperatures actually start to come up a little bit throughout the overnight hours. And here's your 7-day planning forecast. Saturday morning rain. The second half of the weekend, though, is pretty nice. Sunday, 40 degrees, mixture of sun and clouds. Monday, it's going to feel very nice, getting up to 44 degrees with lots of sunshine. Then it cools off again towards the middle half of next week. But 40's going to feel pretty nice around here.
Yeah, no complaints here, right?
No, thank you.